Hello everyone, once again welcomes you in a geometry session. Today we are going to learn about the practice set 1.3 from the chapter similarity. But for the starting of the practice set, I would like to explain what we had studied in the earlier session. So in the yesterday's session we had already studied about the tests of similarity. So we know that some group of conditions that are sufficient to prove the given triangles are similar to each other. Such bunches or the such group of conditions are known as the test of similarity. And under the caption of test of similarity, we had already studied about the three tests for the similar triangles. And out of these three tests, we know that the first test is AAA test. That is, we know that angle test. It means for a given correspondence, if all three angles of one triangle are equal in measure to the corresponding three angles of other triangle, then we know that the both triangles are similar by AAA test, and we know that that is a convention to use AAA test as just a AA test only. तो हम इसका कन्वेंशन यूज करते हैं, that is AAA test का AA just because आपको मालूम है if the two pairs of angles in between the two triangles are equal, then the third and remaining pair of corresponding angles is also equal to each other. So that's why we can use AAA test, that is only AA test. After the AA test, that we have studied about the SAS test. That is side angle side test. We know that if the two sides of the two triangles are in proportion to each other and the corresponding included angles are equal in measure, then the both triangles are said to be similar by SAS test. And the last one, the third test that we have studied, that is SSS test. And in this test, we know that if all three sides of the first triangle are equal to the all three corresponding sides, all three sides of the first triangle are in proportion with the all three sides of the other triangle by any one-to-one correspondence out of the 6 correspondences, then they are similar by SSS test of similarity. So, on the basis of this test of similarity, we are going to solve practice set 1.3 in our today's session. So let's start the practice set 1.3. So here we have the question number first, and the given is here, that is in figure angle ABC equal to 75 degree and angle EDC equal to also 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar to each other, then by which test? Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. तो आपको यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि in the figure angle ABC equal to 75 degree as well as angle EDC equal to 75 degree, you have to write the proper correspondence for the similarity of these two triangles, and we have to state these two triangles are similar by which test of similarity. So we can solve this. So the solution. So simply we can solve these two triangles are similar by AA test. How? Here in triangle ABC and in triangle EDC, remember that the one-to-one correspondence is very essential for the similarity of two triangles. If your one-to-one correspondence is wrong, then the similarity also goes wrong. आपको ये याद रखना है कि अगर सिमिलरिटी करेक्ट आनी चाहिए तो उसका one-to-one correspondence दोनों ट्रायंगल का भी बहुत जरूरी है. तो here by the one-to-one correspondence ABC one-to-one correspond to EDC, angle B congruent to angle D each of 75 degree. Angle C congruent to angle C because the angle C is common angle between the both of the triangles. So it means we get now the two pairs of corresponding angles of the both triangles are equal. Then I told you that the third remaining pair of the both of the triangles of angles are also equal. So it means the both triangles are similar to each other by AA test. So here we can write in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC equals to angle EDC. This is given each of 75 degree. Next, angle C congruent to angle C because common angle of the both of the triangles. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by the AA test of similarity. सो आपको क्वेश्चन में बताया गया है कि कौन से दो ट्रायंगल्स एक दूसरे को सिमिलर है वो प्रूव करें, उसके बाद उनका प्रॉपर वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस बिटवीन द वर्टिसेस लिखें और उसके बाद वो कौन से टेस्ट से सिमिलर है वो भी मेंशन करें। सो हियर ABC and EDC, this is the proper correspondence between the vertices. These two triangles are similar by the AA test. That's it. So this is your question number first. Now the problem number second. Question number second. Again, in the problem number second, we have the figure of two triangles. There are the two triangles in the figure. This one is the first, and this one is the second. 6, 8, 10, 3, 5, 4. Triangle PQR and triangle LMN. These are the two given triangles here. So the question is, are the triangles in the figure similar? If yes, by which test? तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है, are the both triangles given in the figure are similar to each other? If they are similar, then state by which test. So let's get start to know these are similar or not. In the solution, we can verify here the all three sides of triangle PQR given as well as all three sides of triangle LMN are also given. But we know that we can verify these two triangles are similar according to the test SSS. But for the SSS test, we have to perform first of all what is the ratio of the all three sides of both of the triangles. तो यहाँ पर हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं first of all in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, that is PQ upon LM is equals to 6 by 3. It is equal to 2 by 1 like the first. Next QR by MN, it is equals to 8 by 4. It is equals to also 2 by 1, number 2. And the third PR upon LN, it is also equal to 10 by 5 equals to 2 by 1, number third. So according to the statement 1, 2 and 3, we can state there, therefore we have PQ upon LM equals to QR upon MN equals to PR upon LN. From 1, 2 and 3. So the ratio of all three sides of triangle PQR in proportion with the all three sides of triangle LMN. So therefore triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity. So this is your second problem. Triangle PQR and triangle LMN are similar to each other by SSS test. So problem number next third. Now we have to solve problem number 3. Again we have to draw the figure. Here we have again two different triangles. So we have the triangle PQR and the next triangle ABC. QR equal to 6, PR equal to 4, AC equal to 8 and BC equal to X. And PR perpendicular to QR, AC perpendicular to BC. And the question is, as shown in the figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground if the length of the shadow of smaller pole due to the sunlight is 6 meter, and how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time. The question is, we have the two different poles which are perpendicular to the ground having the length of heights 4 meter and 8 meter respectively. The shadow of smaller pole due to the sunlight is 6 meter, and we have to find out the shadow of the second pole, that is height of 8 meter at the same time of by the sunlight. आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि BC ये जो शैडो है AC इस पोल की वो कितनी होगी। तो यहाँ पे हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं in the solution. So remember that the two figures cast the same, or the two figures cast the shadows in proportion at the same time due to the sunlight. आपको यहाँ पे नोटिस करना होगा कि कोई भी दो चीजें अगर जमीन को परपेंडिकुलर है और वो जो परपेंडिकुलरिटी है उनकी वजह से एट द सेम टाइम उनकी जो शैडो कास्ट होती है दोनों फिगर्स की, तो वो शैडो इन सेम प्रोपोर्शन होती है उनके हाइट के प्रोपोर्शन में, उनके हाइट के इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में उनकी शैडो कास्ट होती है एट द सेम टाइम ड्यू टू द सनलाइट। तो यहां पर आप लिखेंगे इन ट्रायंगल PQR एंड ट्रायंगल ABC, shadows cast by two poles at the same time are equally proportional to their heights. Therefore we can represent that is PR upon QR is equals to AC upon BC. So you don't have to prove here triangle PQR are similar to triangle ABC, because the triangles made by the sunlight of the two poles and their shadows are always similar to each other. ये आपको याद रखना है। लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने जस्ट एक सिंपल प्रॉपर्टीज यहाँ पे लिख दी है, दैट इज द शैडो कास्ट बाय टू पोल्स एट द सेम टाइम इन द सनलाइट आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स, उनके हाइट के प्रोपोर्शन में वो इक्वल होती है, और वो यहाँ पे हमने रिप्रेजेंट किया है। सो देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट हियर PR इक्वल टू 4, QR इक्वल टू 6, AC इक्वल टू 8, देन BC इक्वल टू X. So here we can cross multiply here, X is equal to 6 into 8 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, so X equals to 12 meter. X equal to 12 meter. This is the length of the shadow of the second pole AC. तो ये रहा आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd, that is the height of the second pole AC, that is equal to